Abusia, me person shaking a Japan video. We are branding in Komobia, very important.
And let me take opportunity to challenge one to me to come out if I'm lying, because my witness is Edward Boateng. With the exception of Asenso, every minister in Ashanti region, the list was done in my house.
Are you telling us
Yes.
for real?
Yes.
The list was done in your house?
Yes.
Every minister?
Yes, apart from Asenso.
Matthew Poko Pempe?
Yes.
You had a hand in it?
Yes. One to me brought the Ashanti list from Kumasi to my house at Movenpick. And my witness is Edward Boateng. Three of us. I said, no, put this one here. Put this one here. And I went first to tell the president, these are, then
you should consider. And
yeah,
you push them.
Yeah. Then
So can in Japan catch and say Kufuado Abe not have powerful power. He was that powerful and influential. In that ministers are you mufri Ashanti region and if ye ana yebe no ana watch say fawisha. In fact, he's also on record to have said ministers are you on central region a Kwame Nadankan no money how akum say no mono omunyina won influence ye you as ministers. Now you see enema mienu ana me no ba be ka ho asem wo sa asem akene Japan aken hwe ne edi kan kene Japan call rounds asem a wo ka kire delegates ukujina delegate enim no no mo kasa o se ena omo wo aban mu no ana omo wo aban mu no chese wo kasa we yi ne hu free Akufo-Addo aban mu o create the impression say Akufo-Addo aban 8 years na won ka ho won de na o opposition afei na ono so na aban aba nti wo kasa wo se na omo wo aban mu na omo wo aban mu mi wa wan kasa na waka atire wiase nyina ne say wo Akufo-Addo aban na ye that powerful to influence the appointment. In fact, when I was share Akufo-Addo aban man na chire ministers baby am form share. So this shows say Kennedy Japan cannot create that man is not truthful back we say near tosu mienu Kennedy Japan kasa or see ministers we bone we Akufo-Addo aban mu ebi corrupt or see ebi edidi ja grassroots for no munyina edidi ja grassroots for no nti yemfa ho so bo ne mboba omia yen punish Baumia because I say onona junimuno ministers ni be bone. Now you see the disingenuity in this man legendary. Wo wakotana them the ministers aba. Wo wakotana them as ministers say winkwa na Baumia nim ho hwe. Omo bae na o according to you Oma baba ye bone a wo se Baumia mum ne yen punish no. Wo Canadian Japan wo na ye say ye punish wo for whatever that you claim say ministers ne be because you wanna walk for mobile you wanna what say we nkosha say nya wanna walk for mobile and now influence more munya that position na anka boni kona wo so maye no anka wo mambe nti if say we say ministers no ye mom appointment mu be di boni omo ye corrupt omo anhwe from hofo Emma Yelusu yana say a form of bufuam. As I would no bufu because una what your mobile. Na delegates, Muntin ye. Moon Adrian Bonia can Japan the year campaign. Moon try or the year campaign. This man can never be trusted. Motion try wocha. Oh sorry, I want our appoint you me appoint you, but who created the impression say a Akufo-Addo aban and I won't come here neglect you. You see, Charlie.
Alright, abusia for nyame sha bibia. Ene me pese me bisa questions bi. The camp of Honorable Kennedy Japan. Then as Siano I say all of a sudden musi mu believe prophecies. A brand candidate Honorable Kennedy or Kumpre Kwe Japan or say or no believe in sa prophecy no obi only pastor say kun or Ghana hanyina no. Ene prophecies na eba in favor of him no and on a moody ye campaign message sia mumbisa mo ho say 2023 aye kwako elect a flag bearer no sa time no na prophecies be eba in favor of him say ono no be lead party no mumbisa mo ho say then na when to me lead party no sisi am campaign message na say na prophet we see and ye na be win bab your candidate on several occasions any so for bebre ye on Wakasa on several occasions Castle he don't or no believe in Christianity for no yes or sorry but and then the I say Mumuni na you people are entertaining this kind of prophecies na mean and I say you people have realized say Onisa moral standard na Ghana for epe and you moody prophecies na moody campaign message enfa me say enfa mama enka no kre no enfa what I say mu candidate no she ene you people are making it look like say obi out to me ya obi ube to me the oba to ya no from head to toe nyina no mu fresh and partners or discipline is this thing called discipline? If this thing that you people are calling obi to me ya obi adu obi maami ato ya na sin nyina no and then we see that is a discipline. Oh, it is sad. Che, Honorable Kennedy Japan, we're a very good person. Do you know why? And Kase, Honorable Kennedy Japan, see, or person lead the MPP party as a chairman, and Kayebe to about man, Che, being a president and as a candidate for Honorable Kennedy Japan, that is not the hope. That is not our target. And no, to me, we shouldn't even. Why should we even be bargaining? Say how? On what basis are we even laying low? Say we are going to allow Honorable Kennedy Japan. I'm not discredit his capability or anything. But
why is it that Parliament is unable to reopen? I didn't see in the Parliament. And that's why we went to ma all the woody. A Juma wooden or your pee. I buy she share all the book of my order what you do. Seek some of our ministries, departments, agencies. And the one can send for budget by because November is coming. Budget by ya at Mokwa, what by Yatum, my other boy next year. Parliament is unable. It's not the Mukasana. A Babaka here, media budget review, and some Babaka, Sidina Peke, all is on course. Nina, Kwame Bisadan, so consider in the Parliament in the Fourth Republic. I'm not going the entire stretch. The Fourth Republic. Parliament in Brassau, the Wobe, no one to Mumbai. Oh, I say, Mafa, one son, 2 market. No one can obey. South be so kind of obey. Son of Kwame, we have always known there Ora Mama and this is it. There are membu she share na membu Yamama Yatum Yakwim, and it is not only Parliament. Kwame, that you have nurses who have been employed in the past 10 months. You have junior doctors. It's a Tuesday. The junior doctors. Okay, I don't know what discussion has gone on behind the scenes or behind closed doors. Why relax, Kaka? Kwame, it's all to change. Why supplies? I'm a ministries, departments, agencies. They tell you that for the 9 months. City, our friend, the city. Kwame Kumana build the city. Kwame, want to miss and cut. Any oya ministries waya edumayafo enwa assemblies wafana regional coordinating councils minister and they still refer to some of us still as minister as uncle endama nimu ekira wa atwen che ye kafa gas oil wo wiadi na bogu and sana ekwa etum kakra bedem 9 months into your administration. Kwame, are you able to tell me anything which is getting reset? The reset that they promised that anything that is getting reset. Anything. Obi, from what to go mayehu, ada President Mahama Baya also resetting 9 months into his administration. Reset him na ni wekwe. Na anu yada amomobia hude. No kwani. President Mama just wanted to have a second tenure, a second bite. That it is open to every person who becomes president to have 2 terms, and therefore by hook or crook, although somebody president bill, but otherwise, Kwame, he has nothing up his sleeves. It's only the one mama waka parliament. Oh yeah, Attorney General, and I tell you the CSO's meeting with the president. Kwame.
Yes.
Sebio. Say she more crowd or and there should have been some lessons learned from their own past. And when I say their own past, I'm talking about 2013 to 2016, when President Mama was in charge, the challenges they went through, as we say, dealing with Galamsey, they should have learned. And Minister known for his North American slang, you were